control wiring is defined in the National Electrical Code as conductors used to connect a controller to a controlled device according to NEC 2020 Article 100. The NEC requires control wiring and power wiring to be run in separate conduit under certain conditions. Firstly, voltages exceeding 30 volts. Control wiring with voltages exceeding 30 volts must be run in separate conduit from power wiring, according to NEC 2020 Article 725.133. Secondly, different sources of supply. Control wiring and power wiring from different sources of supply, for example, a transformer and a generator, must be run in separate conduit according to NEC 2020 Article 725.133. Thirdly, specific locations. Control wiring and power wiring in specific locations, such as hazardous areas, must be run in separate conduit according to NEC 2020 Article 501.10b. Consider an example of a visual display unit. A 24 volts DC power supply and the control cable connecting the display unit to the programmable logic controller, or PLC, can be run in the same conduit since the voltage is below 30 volts, specifically 24 volts DC. The power and control are from the same source of supply, and the run does not take place in a hazardous area. Consider these additional factors. Conduit size needs to be appropriate for the number of conductors and wire size. Control wiring must be grounded as required by the NEC. The conduit and wiring must be installed in accordance with the NEC and local codes. Refer to NEC 2020 Articles 100, 725, and 501 for more information.